All right, we are now going to learn how to create an email in our Gmail account. So, by the end of these few lessons, we want to be able to say, I can create and send an email. Your assignment is to write an email to a friend in this class. You must include a greeting, dear whoever, dear Mrs. Cox, comma. The body of the email, it needs to be at least 4 sentences. The closing, sincerely, comma, or your friend, comma. And it also needs to include your name at the end. Then you need to send it to both me and your friend. Everything in your email should be appropriate for school. Please remember, your email account is not a private account, and Mrs. Redepenning, Mrs. Cox, or Mrs. Moschler can see all of the student emails that are sent and received at Meadowvale. So in your Gmail account, this is your mail account. So when you go to the 9 dots, or when you go to Rapid Identity, you will see a mail icon that looks like this. That will take you to your Gmail account. This is your inbox. This will show you all of the emails that you have received. This shows who they are from. This is the subject line of the email. Your subject line should have something to do with what your email is going to be about. It should tell your reader what you are going to write about. This, hi, is not a good subject line because the reader doesn't know what's going to be in that email. To start a new email, you click on Compose, and then you get this email template. You will see the to line. That is where you're going to write the person's name. The subject, that is what the email is going to be about. And then under that subject line in this space, you are going to write your greeting, your body, your closing, and your signature. This here is an automatic signature that you can choose to put onto your emails. We are not going to do that during this lesson, so you will actually need to sign your name to the end of the email. When you start typing your email, all you need to do is start typing the last name of the person to which you want to send the email, and a list of people will show up. Okay? So he wanted to send this email to Troy Anderson. He just started typing in Anderson, and then we see everybody with the last name of Anderson listed, and you can click on the person you want to send it to. Then that will be filled in. If you get a little red line there, you know it is not a valid email address. Here is where your subject will go. Here is where your greeting will go. Here is the body of your email. Here is the closing. And here is your signature. This is what your completed email will look like in Gmail. When you receive an email and click on it, this is what the email will look like when you open it. This is where you would reply to the sender if you want to send an email back. At this time, you are going to start by creating a paper version of the email that you wish to send. You're basically going to create a rough draft. Once you have answered all the questions in this video and completed it all the way to the end, you may see Mrs. Cox for a paper template of the email you wish to write.